So if you see here in the code 60210, what happens is it is a partial thyroid lobectomy. A part of it is removed. Say the right side is removed, left is kept intact. In the next code you see it is partial of the same side and contralateral 3/4 they are removing. So this might go for code 60212. If you see the code 60212, what happens is one side alone is being completely removed. Unilateral thyroid lobectomy. One side alone completely removed. Opposite side it remains intact. Physician or surgeon is not removing it. If you see the code 60225, what happens? One side, on the right side there is a complete removal, plus on the contralateral side it is a subtotal lobectomy. When I say total, meaning fully. When I say subtotal, not full, 3/4 of it. Next is 240, again it's a total thyroidectomy. Completely they are removing it. When the diagnosis is going to be for a cancer, in that case you'll have to go for lymph node removal as well. So thyroidectomy along with limited neck dissection and complete removal or a radical thyroidectomy, we can go for 60252 and 60254, where invariably the diagnosis will be thyroid cancer. So there you need to understand, along with thyroid, they are also going to remove the involved or the uninvolved lymph nodes and the adjacent fatty tissue itself, whichever is there. They remove it completely. That is what a radical procedure is all about. I hope you understand what are all these procedures. Please don't get confused, because you need to know it is partial, ipsilateral, partial, contralateral, subtotal. Here ipsilateral fully, contralateral nothing. So here ipsilateral fully it has been removed, contralateral subtotal. Here bilateral it has been removed, right and left have been completely removed. Sometimes the thyroidectomy can also be done via the cervical approach. They'll have to via the approach. They do cervical approach. Sometimes it goes into the thorax as well. It's called as a substernal thyroid. So depending on the approach, you can report for the code separately.